This is a microwave. I heat food in the microwave.
This is a knife. I cut vegetables with the knife.
This is a whisk. I mix eggs with the whisk.
This is a peeler. I peel potatoes with the peeler.
This is a toaster. I toast bread in the toaster. This is a blender. I make juice with the blender. This is a frying pan. I cook eggs in the frying pan.
This is a spatula. I flip pancakes with the spatula.
This is a refrigerator. I keep food fresh in the refrigerator. This is a cutting board. I chop vegetables on the cutting board. This is a kettle. I boil water in the kettle.
This is a spoon. I eat soup with the spoon.
This is a fork. I eat pasta with the fork.
This is a plate. I serve food on the plate.
This is a cup. I drink tea from the cup.
This is a bowl. I mix salad in the bowl.
This is an oven. I bake cookies in the oven.
This is a grater. I grate cheese with the grater.
This is a pair of tongs. I pick up food with the tongs.
This is a rice cooker. I cook rice in the rice cooker.
This is a toothbrush. I brush my teeth with the toothbrush. This is toothpaste. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush.
This is soap. I wash my hands with soap.
This is a towel. I dry my hands with the towel.
This is shampoo.
I wash my hair with shampoo.
This is a comb. I comb my hair with the comb.
This is a hair dryer. I dry my hair with the hair dryer.
This is a mirror. I look at myself in the mirror.
This is a sink. I wash my hands in the sink. This is a shower. I take a shower every day.
This is a bed. I sleep in the bed.
This is a pillow. I sleep on the pillow.
This is a blanket. I keep warm with the blanket.
This is an alarm clock. I wake up with the alarm clock. This is a wardrobe. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe.
This is a hanger. I hang clothes on the hanger.
This is a lamp. I read with the lamp.
This is a book. I read stories in the book.
This is a phone charger. I charge my phone with the charger.
This is a fan. I stay cool with the fan.
Thank you for learning with Talkora.
Please like this video. Share it with your friends.
Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Talkora. See you next time. Goodbye.